Imagine a day in your life where your smartphone assistant wakes you up, reads out your schedule, and even suggests the fastest route to your office. Sounds familiar? That's AI and language models at work. They've woven themselves invisibly into our routines, guiding our digital conversations, tailoring music and movie recommendations, even helping us navigate our world. AI and language models like the one powering your digital assistant have come a long way. But how do they work? What makes them so smart? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like a brilliant student. It learns from vast amounts of data and uses this knowledge to make predictions or decisions. Language models, a subset of AI, are the brainy scholars of the AI world, specializing in understanding and generating human language. They've come a long way since their inception, with advanced models like GPT-4 leading the charge. So, how do these language models work? Think of them as a vast network of interconnected learning nodes or neurons, similar to the human brain. This is called a neural network. These networks are trained using a process called machine learning, where they learn patterns from data, much like how a child learns to speak by listening to conversations. In the case of language models, the data they learn from is text, lots and lots of it. From books, articles, websites, you name it. The more diverse and vast the data, the better the model becomes at understanding and generating language. This is where natural language processing, or NLP, comes in. NLP is the process through which these models understand and generate human language. But all of this learning requires a significant amount of computational power. Imagine having to read and understand every book ever written. That's a lot of brain power, right? Similarly, training these models requires powerful computers that can process large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. So these are the basics of how AI and language models work. But what can they do? More than you might think. From generating text, translating languages, answering questions, to even writing poetry, stories, or generating code, these models can do it all. They can even understand and generate structured data like tables or code. But it's not just text. Generative AI has been making waves in other domains too, like image generation, music, and videos. These models are trained and function similarly to language models, creating stunning pieces of generative art or AI-created music. However, as with any powerful tool, there are ethical considerations and challenges to be mindful of, such as biases in AI, misinformation, and deepfakes. There are ongoing efforts to ensure fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI, with ethical guidelines being developed and research advancements being made. So these are the basics of how AI and language models work. But what can they do? More than you might think. From drafting emails to translating languages, AI language models are versatile tools. These models, which can analyze and generate human-like text, are revolutionizing how we interact with technology. Let's delve into some applications. At their core, these models excel at tasks like text generation, language translation, and question answering. They can generate everything from a simple auto-response to a detailed report, translate languages with remarkable accuracy, and answer questions based on the information they've been trained on. But AI's prowess isn't limited to straightforward tasks. It's also making strides in creative domains. For instance, some models can generate poetry or write stories, adding an artistic flair to their capabilities. They can even generate code, a task that previously required a human touch. This creativity is fueled by AI's ability to process and generate structured data. They can read, understand, and produce complex data structures, such as tables or code. This ability opens up a world of possibilities, from automating mundane tasks to creating new forms of artistic expression. However, AI's capabilities extend beyond text. With the same underlying technology, AI can generate images, music, and even videos. Imagine an AI that paints like Picasso, composes like Beethoven, or produces videos like Spielberg. These aren't just fantasies, they're real possibilities that researchers are actively exploring. AI's potential is truly vast. It's transforming our world from how we communicate to how we create to how we solve problems. And this is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, its capabilities will only expand. These are just a few examples. AI's potential extends beyond text into the realms of images, music, and even videos. The future of AI is bright, and it's happening right now. As we continue to harness this technology, who knows what incredible feats of creativity and problem-solving we'll see next. As with any powerful tool, AI comes with its own set of ethical considerations. The advent of AI has seen an increase in concerns surrounding biases, misinformation, and the creation of deepfakes. Ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability in AI is a challenge that cannot be ignored. It's a complex landscape to navigate, filled with intricacies that need careful consideration. Despite these challenges, ongoing efforts aim to make AI a tool that benefits us all, ethically and responsibly. Looking ahead, AI promises to be a transformative force. From language models to generative AI, we've seen their potential to revolutionize many areas of our lives. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can anticipate more sophisticated applications, from creative arts to complex problem-solving. But as we embrace this future, we must also navigate the ethical challenges, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability. So, next time your smartphone assistant reads out your schedule, remember, you're experiencing the transformative power of AI, and this is just the beginning.